Introduce to you my master mixologist as we toast to your 30 years, brother.
For that.
Sylvester Ryan is my master mixologist.
Salute.
What's happening?
Sir?
Always a pleasure.
One of the things we like to do at Cup of Joe is to start with alcohol.
Well, that's you're talking my language. I mean, really?
Yeah. So, what are you doing for us today, brother?
Well, we're trying to keep it light, but
No. We
We're going. It was nice.
We not
Thanks
keep
for having me.
it light. We not keep it light. Like you see the side of these two brothers.
You might say light, but all right,
we're trying to keep it light. We're trying to keep it
All right,
light.
over here.
In terms of celebration.
Okay.
Right now, you say you're celebrating 50 years, right?
50 years.
50 years, right? That's a long time.
That's a long time.
That's a long time. That's a long time with no grades, right?
Right?
What we doing this evening is a celebration. Now, remember you start off as a DJ and that kind of thing, and it's about bringing the vibe,
Right?
And as you bring the vibe, we say go bananas.
Yeah. I like where we're going.
When people go bananas, we go bananas with music. That's for you, right? Now with me, when I say go bananas, I thinking of a drink.
Okay.
No, for my drink.
Bananas, because I've seen some bananas.
Yes, yes.
So that's what I'm saying. So in keeping with that theme, I'm just gonna go bananas.
All right.
Go bananas. So I created my own banana syrup, which is actually quite easy to do. Now, anywhere you walk, whether it's on what they call it, Charlotte Street or Chinatown or however you go, market, bananas are relatively cheap.
Yes.
Yes? So you get some bananas, you cut them up, you add a little sugar to it, you create a fermentation, and you make your own banana syrup.
That's banana
That's
syrup.
the banana syrup right there.
Yes, that is it.
You
So-
put it on some heat? Yeah.
No.
No heat?
No heat.
Serious?
No heat. The sugars develop in it by itself. Some people like to eat banana bread. I prefer to drink it.
We're gonna drink banana bread this. What?
Yes, that is the flavors you're gonna get from this today,
Okay.
right? So it's just gonna be really, really awesome to have a drink instead of have a
Joel,
drink.
leave the man. Joel.
I just want to smell this one.
Joel, what you doing?
Yes?
The bananas.
Yeah, boy, strong, boy.
Yeah.
Pungent smell, strong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you know, you still use back some of that nice bananas that you left in there.
Okay.
Very, very easy. Start the show. Banana taste. Now remember, it's all about marrying flavors, right? So you usually say banana taste that is in the 1919 rum.
There's some banana tones in that.
Yes. Banana, caramel, lots of fruit. So it brings all the flavors together. And keeping with the theme of the banana bread, you have your rum, you have your bananas, a little cinnamon, a little spices, yeah? That's it. So, I mean, everybody go eat it, we will drink it, right?
We will drink it.
Nutmeg, always better when it's fresh.
Yes.
So, builders build. Everything is in except orange juice. So, you have always a little bit of citrus, stay sweet. Yeah?
Okay.
You balance all
That's the
flavors.
balance
As
right
with
there.
everything in life,
Yeah.
you create balance.
Stir.
A nice little stick.
Okay.
And may I have those two lovely glasses for you?
Come on, Joe.
Yes, I'm on it.
Don't stick, son. Don't
I'm
stick.
on it.
Man
I'm
wants
on it.
glasses. Give him glasses.
Now, for this drink, I prefer to do it filled,
Not shaken.
Not shaken.
not shaken.
Right.
You see,
Okay.
What's the reason? What's the reason? Why not
when
shaken?
you shake it on the ice, it causes too much dilution. Right? So when you do it and you stir it,
Yeah.
less.
Nice.
So you keep
Okay.
all the flavors within there.
Nice.
Right?
Nice.
Okay.
But we don't want
so
water
chill the
down
glass.
drinks.
No.
We
Right.
don't want
No,
water
so
down
chill the
drinks.
glass
Wow.
to make sure it stays chill. Yes?
Yes. Nice yourself.
Thing looking like a banana bread.
Yeah, boy. Look,
Banana
yeah. Yeah. What?
Now,
What?
garnish. People, they eat, they drink everything with their eyes. Yes? Nice. So for this, just gonna do a little bit of sugar on top of the bananas. So you get that same dessert feel, that nice sweetness. Get your torch.
I'll get one of them.
Christmas, I go sort you.
So,
Don't fret.
yeah,
I go sort you. Don't fret.
Consider
Consider it done.
Oh, yeah.
Now you could put anything on top of this. It's more or less to mimic a banana bread. So people like nuts on top of the banana bread. Some
Right.
people like fruits on top of it. Many different things. For me, I like fruit. So I put a little bit of fruit after I caramelize my sugars on top there. So now,
So we eating banana with the drink.
that is it. It adds the flavor and keeps everything, you know. Let me just present to you all, go bananas.
All right. I love it.
You gotta love these fellas.
Yes, man.
You gotta love
Thank you,
these
sir.
fellas. You're not balance that
Wow.
banana bread. Wow, that looks
This
fantastic.
is incredible. This is incredible.
That looks fantastic.
There you go.
Thank you, my brother.
Enjoy.
Hey,
Thank you, sir.
my brother.
30 years.
30 years.
And to you for 30 cups of Joe.
So take up some joke. A little more than that. But success, my brother.
Thank you. Same to you. Same to you.
Cheers.
Let's put it on. Ooh, nice. Nice. This is the best twist on a banana
Oh
bread.
my goodness.
Drinking. Nah, this is nice. This is nice.
This is good. Sylvester Ryan, our master mixologist today.
Salute to him.